Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something really cool that's buzzing in the tech world. It's called Codestral, and it's reshaping how developers code. Let's get into it. Imagine you're working on a project and you hit a block. You're stuck on a piece of code and the clock is ticking. Enter Codestral, the latest AI-driven coding assistant from Mistral AI. This tool isn't just another coding helper. It's a game changer, trained in over 80 programming languages. Yes, you heard that right, from Python and Java to more niche ones like Swift and Fortran. So, what makes Codestral stand out? For starters, it's an open-weight generative AI model. This means it's built on a foundation that lets developers add on and adapt previous work. This is huge because it makes advanced AI tools accessible not just to big tech companies, but to smaller firms too. Here's a real-life example for you. Let's say you're working on a Python project. Codestral doesn't just help by completing functions or writing tests. It fills in the blanks in your code. Think of it as having a super smart coding buddy who's always there to suggest the next line or fix errors as they pop up. And it's not just about making life easier. Codestral also helps reduce the risk of bugs and errors. This means cleaner, more efficient code and ultimately a better end product. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newbie, this tool can elevate your coding game. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Tests show that Codestral outperforms other models in various benchmarks, especially in Python and SQL. This isn't just about coding faster, it's about coding smarter. Mistral AI sees Codestral as a stepping stone towards democratizing code generation. The goal? To empower everyone with the ability to generate and understand code easily. This could be a major leap towards an era where coding is as ubiquitous as typing is today. In conclusion, Codestral isn't just another tool. It's potentially a new standard in coding. It's designed to help developers not just survive, but thrive in the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of tech. So whether you're building apps, creating databases, or just dabbling in coding, Codestral might just be worth checking out. That's it for today. If you're as excited about this AI-driven coding revolution as I am, drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.